All right, so this is just going to be a quick video on the two different styles of spoke shaves that you can get from Veritas. This is the low angle, this is the standard, this is the flat bottom one because I know they have concave and curved and all that kind of stuff. But this is just flat bottom. The low angle is flat bottom because it references on the blade, as you can see here. Initially, I was doing this video to figure out which one I wanted to keep. I decided that I'm going to keep both of them because there's a major difference between these two, and both of them will be handy to have on hand. But let's go through a couple things about them before I tell you why I came to that decision. Both of these can take very nice, thin, beautiful shavings. If you're going to start getting very aggressive and try to hog a lot of material at once, this is going to be the one to go with, because this low angle one, when you push and you start getting super aggressive, the iron likes to slip out of this holder. So it happened a couple times where the iron fell out and onto the floor. So this one I would not use for any kind of aggressive heavy hogging. Fiddly to set up. This one is going to be the most fiddly one to set up because when you adjust like the depth of cut, but basically I guess quote unquote like the mouth size, it's this piece right here, which means you need a screwdriver. There's nothing to really see, so you kind of have to try to sight down it and position it and hold it in place and tighten this with two screws. And then if you tighten the screws, you might end up skewing it depending on if you tighten one before the other too tight. The other issue I ran into is my screwdriver kept hitting right here. I don't know if you can see the reflection in the light. It kept hitting that and pushing this down. So this one was definitely fiddly to set up. Same with these screws down here. So what you do is you undo these. That loosens the blade so the blade can come out. Basically what I had to do was hold it here, try to get the blade in there and then hold it, and then tighten them down. So just a little bit of an extra setup compared to this one where you just take the cap off, take the iron out, put it back in, and it's where you left it because it's based off of these screws, tighten the cap down and you're good to go. But there's a big price difference between these two, so you kind of just got to keep that in mind. Now, both of them performed amazing. I guess if I had to choose to say one that I got, I guess, quote, more tear out with, it was this one on the wood that I'm using. When I switched over to this one, no tear out. I took a lighter pass with this one, then I stopped getting tear out, so that's kind of something to keep in mind. Now, ultimately, what made my decision was end grain, which I kind of thought was going to be the case, but wanted to test it out to make sure. The low angle excelled at end grain. This one did not. This one kind of just skirted over the end grain and didn't really want to cut, caused a lot of issues. This one cut it without any issue at all, and it was very easy to control. So if you need a spoke shave for projects, or you use a spoke shave a lot and you're trying to figure out which one to get, my answer for you is going to be both. Now, if you're not going to deal with end grain at all, then you can probably just stick with the one. If you want one that's, I guess, well-rounded all of the way and you can only pick one of these, there's nothing wrong with this one. You can do everything with this one. Just don't get aggressive and accept that it's a little bit fiddly, but it will save you a couple bucks. So hopefully that helped you guys out. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. If you picked one or you have both, let us know what you decided as well. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good day.